Not too long, not too short. I was thinking about the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. I was thinking about how, even though Goldilocks was a bit naughty for going into the bear's home and trying their things and breaking Baby Bear's chair, she isn't just naughty. We know, as readers, that characters, all people really, are more than just one way. In this book, Goldilocks keeps trying until she finds exactly what she wants. She isn't afraid to try something, then say, "Nope, too big," or "Nah, not for me, too small." There are some people who aren't brave like that. There are people who make one decision and then refuse to ever change their mind. I certainly don't want to be that sort of person, especially as a writer. Instead, we can be like Goldilocks when we write. Not naughty Goldilocks, but brave and choosy Goldilocks in that story. Today, I want to teach you that writers check their writing to make sure that the sentences they've written are just how they want them to be. Writers reread each sentence and ask, is my sentence too long? Is my sentence too short? Is it just right? Then, writers use punctuation to break it apart or use linking words to connect ideas or edit it in other ways to make it just right. This list can help you figure out whether your sentences are just right and then what to do if they are not just right. If a sentence goes on and on and on, stop it earlier with punctuation. If a sentence ends too soon, use and, so, or but to say more. If a sentence gets confusing, say it in a different way. I found this review that a first grader wrote last year. Let's pretend we're the author of it and revise it to make these sentences just right. Let's start by rereading, like any time we revise work. Reread along with me. I just read the Book of Earrings, and so you should read it too, and it is so, so, so good, and you will love it. The little girl wants earrings. Ooh, I'm getting out of breath. And her mom says no, and her dad says no, and they keep saying no, 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 and she keeps saying why, and she tells them she should have them, and they say no, 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 and it goes on and on. It's a funny book, and you should read it. You should read it. Now go read it. Oh boy, I didn't even get to take a breath once. There's a lot of things to fix, and there's a lot of things that are really great here. Let's edit and revise some of the things that this author wrote. I just read the book Earrings, and you should read it too. There should be a period here. We don't use the word and more than once in a sentence, otherwise that's called a run-on sentence. You need to give your reader a chance to stop and take a breath. We could do that with punctuation. So let's take out this word and. It is so, so, so good. Do we need the word so 3 times? No, it makes the writing sound boring. So let's just use it once. It is so good, and you will love it. There should be punctuation there because that's the end of a sentence. Let's use an exclamation point to show the reader that we're excited. The little girl wants earrings, and her mom says no. Up, there's the second end. We don't want more than one end in a sentence. We already have it. So after her mom says no, we should put a period there. Take away this end. Capitalize this letter H. Her dad says no, and they keep saying no, no, no. So we only want to use the word no once, right? Because that's like so, so, so. Gets boring. So let's go back to this sentence and start over. Her dad says no, and they keep saying no. Period. No second end because we already have it. So let's take that away. Capital letter S. She keeps saying why. Oh man, this author keeps doing that. So. No. Why? This is sounding boring. Let's take away the three Y's and just leave one. She keeps saying why, and she tells them she should have them, and they say no. I'm a little confused by that sentence. She tells them. Who's them? Oh, her mom and dad, right? She should have them. What's this them? Oh, is she talking about earrings? Oh, let's redo that sentence. She keeps saying why, and she tells her mom and dad she should have earrings. Period. Take away this end. Capital letter T. They say no. Oh my goodness. Just one no. Let's take away these two extra no's. They say no, and it goes on and on. Oh, good. This author finally put a period somewhere. It's a funny book, and you should read it. There should be a period there. You should read it now. Period. Capital letter. Go read it. Wow, we had a lot of editing and revising to do there. It's really good that we reread it with a fresh look and we were able to see all of the things that needed to be changed. So we asked ourselves, are there sentences that are not just right? What should we do to make it just right? Where can we add periods to fix it? And how did we know where the punctuation marks should go? That's what you're going to do today. So off you go. When you continue rereading reviews that you've already written, ask yourself if some sentences are too long or too short. Remember to be brave and choose as carefully as Goldilocks did. Ask yourself, is this sentence too long? Is this sentence too short? Then you can fix the sentences. This is hard work and it will make you stronger as readers and writers.